So guys, in this video, we will learn about how to download MySQL in your device. So we will download it on Windows. If you're using Linux or Mac, you can go into YouTube and search for how to download and install MySQL into your device. Almost the steps are similar, but you need to do some modifications. So it's better to go in YouTube, right? So we will just write over here SQL, MySQL, and then go to this download section and inside this download section go down a little bit and then choose this MySQL community downloads, because the community server is free for everyone. So we will use this one, and from here then choose MySQL community server, then choose this MySQL installer for Windows. You can see this is the recommended one, so we will just click on it and then download the first one. Okay, here it will ask you to create an account, but no need to create an account. You can just click on this, no thanks, I just start my downloads, and it will start downloading. So now just click on this MySQL installer, and to install MySQL it is quite easy. Just click on next, but sometimes you just need to put some password. We will just see that in this video. And now the installer is opening. From here, choose the developer default and click on next. Now select both of these. Actually, it is trying to link MySQL with the Visual Studio and Excel, but it is failing. And for your device, it may show some difference, or you can say some different errors. So don't worry about that. Just click on this next option and click on yes. Then it will ask to download some files, some products of MySQL. So it is downloading MySQL Server 8.0.19, MySQL Workbench. So it will be helpful to graphical representation of MySQL to link your device. So just click on execute. It will take some time because it is downloading some files. So if your internet speed is quite good, it will download instantly. Okay, so you can see all the products are downloaded and installed, completed. So now we can click on this next option and again click on next. Now choose the standard MySQL server, then click next. Keep everything in default setting, then click on next. Don't modify anything. Then use a strong password, obviously, click next. Then write your password. All right, so now click on next. Again, keep everything with by default setting, then click next. And now click execute. All right, everything is fine. Now click on finish, then click on next, and again click on finish. There are so many steps actually. And again next, yeah, click on next, and here you need to put your password. It actually connect to server, it will connect with the MySQL server, so that's why you need to put your password. And now click on this check option. Now you can see connection is succeeded. Now click on next. Now click on execute. Now click on this finish option. Okay, again next. And yeah, so now all the installation is completed after lots of steps. Now we don't want to open this MySQL shell right now. We just want to open the MySQL work. It is actually a graphical tool to connect with your MySQL server. So we will just click on finish. So when you open it for first time, you will see your root and localhost over here, MySQL connection. If you don't see this thing, you just click on this plus option, and here you can set your connection name, and then you need to put your password over here stored in vault, and then connect with the server obviously. And since we are connecting with a server right now, we don't need to add one more, so I'll just click on cancel. So now click on this server, or you can say connection. It will ask you for the password. Just type in your password and click on OK. Now it will open a workbench where we will work in our next videos. So this is all the elements which we will use. And in the left side, you can see there is a navigator, and there is this thing is query, where we will write all our queries. And this is the SQL edition. So yeah, this is all about the installation process of MySQL in Windows. Okay, so in our next video, we will do some comments in MySQL.